What's this audit management then, Gareth? How does that work?
Well, I think everyone who works in HR or any business dreads the word audit, but with the Power Plus system, it just makes it so much easier. You can run a report on a particular department or a particular role. You can do date ranges, so you're doing the specific search that you need to do. You can then search for a particular course, whether it be manual handling, cyber security, or it could be even your own induction course that you need to audit. Also within there, you can audit specific cards. So whether it be a CSCS card or a CPCS card, all of that is auditable on the Power Plus system with just probably 5 or 6 clicks. Hit the big search button and then you're underway, and let the system do the work for you.
And am I right in saying you can export that documentation in a PDF and Excel?
Exactly, yes. So once you've finished up research and you're happy with that, you can download it as an Excel spreadsheet, again, still paperless, and you can send that on to your auditor to prove compliance.
Cool, that works.